Hi, welcome. Now we are going to learn the three functions CountA, and CountBlank. Okay, and what is the difference between them? Okay, the data what I have here is a set of horizontal row and a vertical list and a square list, a matrix form. Okay, this one has totally about 17 cells. Okay, similarly here it is about 17 cells, and this one is 5 into 13, which is 65 cells totally. Okay, so what is count? Okay, count will give you a total number of numerical values in a range. Okay, so here the range is from here to here. Okay, so what we do is we just count of the range. Okay, the range is you give any range. Okay, and this is 10. Okay, so it brings the horizontal range here. It is total number of numerical values in it is 10. Okay, let's check how many cells contains numerical values. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. Okay, and count A, which is going to bring you irrespective of whether it is numerical or text or special characters, it is going to bring and give you the total number of non-blank cells. Okay, so other than blank, it will count other things, whether it contains number or alphabet or special characters. Let's check count A. Okay, the whole range, close the bracket, then you can see 15. Okay, we already counted 10 numericals and 1 2 3 alphabet, so 13 plus 2 special characters, 15. So total number of cells in the full list is 17, but it is not counting the 2 blanks which is listed here in the orange color. Okay, then how many are count blank? What is count blank is doing is simply counts the blank cells. Count blank. The range is this one, the horizontal 2. Okay, now we got only 2 blank cells. Okay, so counts the numerical values, number of count of numerical cells, and CountA counts number of non-blank cells, and count blank is only the blank cells. Okay, is it same for the vertical and the square matrix? We will work on that again. Okay, C is count of this vertical range is 10. Let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Yes, absolutely right. What is count of non-blank cells of vertical? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 non-blank cells. Okay, sorry, I just put count A. Okay, 15 non-blank cells. Okay, similarly for count blank, for the same range, which is 2 blank cells in orange, 1 and 2. Okay, so so far it's okay, the same logic. Counts the numerical cells, and count A is non-numeric non-blank cells, and count blank is only blank cells. Okay, let's check the final one. Count of numerical values for the whole range, it returns 50. Okay, our total number of cells here is 65. 5 into 13 rows, 5 columns. Okay, so you see the blank one, I put it in the diagonal, 5 blanks, so 5 blanks and 5 text and 5 special characters. Totally 15 cells is minus off from 65 is 50 numerical values. Count all is count all, count A. Okay, count A is all non-blank cells. So 65 minus only blank cell is 5, so it's supposed to be 60. 60, correct. Finally, the count blank is 5. Okay, so these three functions are very useful to count only the numerical, if you are playing with the numerical values, or if you want the non-numerical and numerical you want it, then use count A, and count blank will give you only the blank cells. Okay, then if I want only non-numeric, then it is interesting, you can minus of count A minus count. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful to you, and please subscribe to my channel, and God bless you.